welcome everyone for our second edition of the GRI Awards. Thank you.
This award actually belongs to thousands of my colleagues who work at Uber really, and I seriously believe that we would not be here without them. No individual can ever make it. It's a team that does it.
I'd like to thank GRI for this wonderful honor. I think real estate has a very important role to play, not just in terms of our economy, but also in terms of everyday life for people. Real estate is a lot more than a business. It's that place where families call home. So I think it's an extremely important thing that we do.
Feels great to have this award, especially in the category where we believe that giving back is the best way of giving back to the society. Thank you very much.
Hey, thanks a lot to GRI for giving us this beautiful award. It's a great award. It's been a great journey. We're going to celebrate this with our full team. Benjamin, any words from you?
Thank you so much for recognizing us.
Thank you, GRI, and thank you to entire jury and the panels who have voted for Divishri to be the developer of the year. It means a lot. This basically is a culmination of 3 decades of our hard work, of our dedication towards our clients and investors and anyone who's believed in us.
Congratulations to GRI for organizing such a nice event. Thanks for the jury member for awarding this to us. It just reinforces the belief in this sector. Flex Office is it's a sunrise industry and has been a new entrant into the real estate market, and every year it's getting stronger and stronger. We contributed almost like 20% this year as far as the absorption is concerned.
I'd like to dedicate this award to the entire ESR team who's worked very hard to get this award. For us, GRI is a very, very important forum. We've always been speaking at this forum, supporting this forum. And so again, thank you very much for this extreme honor.
Thank you, GRI, for this wonderful recognition. And this one is special since it comes from the ecosystem of peers and professionals who exactly understand what it takes to put capital at work, especially for the purpose that it is intended for, and make such a massive impact. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much for this award. I think the award itself says Destination of the Year. So yes, this is the Destination of the Year, and we're just happy to receive this award.
We would like to thank GRI for doing an amazing work like this, where they recognition us, and it really motivates us to do a lot better. We would like to thank from the entire family of Ashwin Sheth Group.
Big thank you to everybody at 25 Residences, the project team, all the people who have conceptualized it. This really belongs to the entire team, and we are very proud to receive it. And all the best to GRI for making a difference again and again.
Thank you, GRI Awards, for selecting Sky City Mall as the #1 retail destination in Mumbai.
I'm very, very privileged to receive this award for Transaction of the Year on behalf of the entire Anarok Group and my team, without whom this would not have been possible. Thank you, GRI, for making this happen.
It's very happy to receive this award for recognizing our CSR activities.
This is the fantastic moment for entire RAGBank team. It's a wonderful doing it. So every award, whatever one gets, it's more of a responsibility and everything.
We're really honored as MICL to receiving this award tonight. This encourages us to do more.
Thank you, GRI Awards, for supporting and motivating and recognizing our efforts towards sustainability.
Encourage us to keep working on bringing more foreign capital into the country. So thank you.